Today, I'm going to show you how ChatGPT can help you as a home seller to sell your home, possibly without a real estate agent. Can ChatGPT replace a real estate agent? You probably already know what ChatGPT is because unless you've been hiding under a rock for the past 2 weeks, YouTube has been filled with videos about this artificial intelligence. But just in case you haven't heard of ChatGPT, let's go ahead and explain what this is. As a matter of fact, why don't I ask ChatGPT to explain what it is? So, ChatGPT, what are you?
ChatGPT is a large language generation model that uses machine learning to generate human-like text. It was trained on a dataset of internet text and is able to respond to prompts by generating text that continues the conversation or completes a given task.
Thanks, GPT. That was about as clear as mud. Let me put it in layman's terms for you. ChatGPT is basically a text-based artificial intelligence that's kind of like a cross between a Google search engine and your really smart buddy who you text questions to. And after doing a ton of research into this program, I was curious how they could help me as a real estate agent sell houses and take a lot of the work off of my plate. And we're gonna start by talking about the most basic ideas, and that's to answer questions about real estate. Now, ChatGPT can't provide any information about things that have happened after 2021. So it can't tell you stuff like how much should you sell your home for. It can't tell you about the current market stats or the current interest rates. But it can answer very basic questions about real estate that I often get asked as a real estate agent. For example, let's ask ChatGPT, what is escrow?
In real estate, escrow refers to the process of placing funds, documents, and instructions in the care of a neutral third party, called an escrow agent, prior to the completion of a transaction. The escrow agent holds on to these items and releases them according to the instructions provided by the parties involved in the transaction. This process is typically used to ensure that all terms of a purchase agreement are met before the sale is completed and ownership is transferred. Examples of items that are often held in escrow include the purchase price, mortgage documents, and title documents.
Now, obviously, the voice is something I added after the fact because I don't think you wanted me to sit here and read every single one of those words. But that answer was absolutely correct. Let's ask it another one. ChatGPT, what is earnest money?
Earnest money is a deposit made by a buyer to demonstrate their commitment and good faith in a real estate transaction. The deposit is typically held in escrow until the sale is complete, and if the sale goes through, the earnest money is applied towards the purchase price. If the sale does not go through, the earnest money may be returned to the buyer or used as compensation for the seller. It is also known as good faith deposit.
Thanks. I could not have answered that question better myself. What is a real estate title search?
A real estate title search is a process of reviewing public records to determine the current legal ownership of a property and any outstanding liens or encumbrances on the property. It is typically conducted by a title company or attorney before the sale of a property to ensure that the seller has clear title to the property and that the buyer will have good title after the sale. The search may also reveal any legal issues or disputes that could affect the ownership or value of the property.
These have all been really great answers and questions that I get asked all the time. So if you have a question like this where you just don't understand a term or how something works, ChatGPT can be really great at helping answer those terms for you. Let's try one more and let's ask it an opinion question. So ChatGPT, how can I sell my home for the most amount of money?
There are several ways to increase the chances of selling your home for the most amount of money. Price it correctly. Make sure to price your home competitively based on market conditions and similar homes in the area. Stage it well. Make sure your home is clean and well maintained, and consider staging it to appeal to potential buyers. Highlight the best features, showcase the unique and desirable features of your home in your listing and during showings. Use professional photography and marketing materials. Invest in high-quality photos and marketing materials to make your home stand out online and in print. Market it effectively. Use a variety of channels to market your home, including online platforms, open houses, and word of mouth. Seek professional help. Hire a real estate agent who has experience in selling homes in your area and is well-versed in the local market.
There's a lot of really good ideas in there, so this tool is actually really powerful. But let's talk about some other ways that this tool can be used to sell your home. The first thing that jumps to my mind is how you market a property. Marketing a property is the #1 job of a real estate agent, outside of providing advice to home buyers and sellers. And I've been using this tool in my business to assist in writing the marketing for the properties that I list, and I've actually been really impressed. And one of the ways that we can do this is by writing a listing description that goes into the MLS and gets published on all of the popular websites like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com. So let's ask ChatGPT to write a property description for a newly renovated 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with hardwood floors and sitting on 1 acre of land.
This newly renovated 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home boasts hardwood floors and sits on a spacious 1-acre lot. Priced at $300,000, it offers the perfect combination of modern updates and ample outdoor space. Don't miss your chance to own this beautiful home.
Now, I'm not really impressed with that listing description. It doesn't evoke emotions the way I like my listing descriptions to work, but ChatGPT is only operating off of the information that you put into it. The information it spits out is only as good as the information that you put in. So knowing how to phrase your questions and what things you want to highlight about the home are going to be something that you have to figure out for yourself. You also might want to include the tone of the message. Do you want it to be funny? Do you want it to be more professional? Do you just want it to highlight the details? Or do you want it to be interesting to read? Whatever you decide, you can actually ask ChatGPT to change its response based on what you're looking for. So let's say we wanted this listing description to be longer than what they provided.
This newly renovated 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home is truly a gem. As soon as you step inside, you'll notice the gleaming hardwood floors and modern finishes that flow throughout the entire house. The open concept living areas are perfect for entertaining, with plenty of room for your family and guests to spread out and relax. The kitchen is a cook's dream, complete with updated appliances and plenty of counter and cabinet space. The bedrooms are spacious and inviting, with ample room for all of your furniture and personal touches. The master suite is a true oasis, with a large ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. But the true crown jewel of this home is the 1 acre of land that it sits on. Imagine spending your summer evenings relaxing on the back deck, enjoying the tranquility and privacy that the large backyard provides. With so much space, there's room for a garden, a playset for the kids, and even a pool if you desire. This home is priced at $300,000, making it an incredible opportunity to own a piece of paradise. Don't miss out on this one. Schedule a showing today and see for yourself why this is the perfect place for you and your family to call home.
We can also ask ChatGPT to write us 3 catchy headlines to go on a property flyer. And because the AI remembers what we asked it to do previously, it's going to spit out some pretty good headlines.
Newly renovated dream home on 1 acre of land, $300,000. Fall in love with this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom oasis, hardwood floors, and modern finishes. Privacy and tranquility await in this spacious 3-bed, 3-bath home, priced to sell at $300,000.
But what about social media marketing? This is something I do a lot of for my properties. So let's ask ChatGPT to write 3 Facebook posts that are going to catch the attention of potential buyers so that we can advertise them on Facebook and Instagram.
Calling all home buyers. This newly renovated 3-bed, 3-bath dream home is just waiting for you to make it your own. With hardwood floors, modern finishes, and 1 acre of land, it's the perfect place to create memories with your loved ones. Priced at $300,000, it won't last long. Schedule a showing today. Just imagine sipping your morning coffee on the back deck of this beautiful 3-bed, 3-bath home, surrounded by the tranquility of your own 1 acre of land. Newly renovated and priced at $300,000, this home is a must-see. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make it yours. Are you looking for a place to call home that offers privacy, space, and modern finishes? Look no further. This 3-bed, 3-bath gem is newly renovated and sits on 1 acre of land. Priced at $300,000, it's the perfect place to create your own paradise. Schedule a showing today and see for yourself why this is the one.
Now you can choose which one of these 3 posts you like better, or even better, we can put all 3 of them into a Facebook ad and see which one your potential buyers are going to respond to best. I've also used ChatGPT to help me come up with the right hashtag to put at the end of the post on Instagram and TikTok. Let's say you want to write a sales letter. This is something that we do quite often, is we create a sales letter to send out to the neighborhood that the home is in. Because chances are somebody in your neighborhood knows a friend or a family member who wants to buy a house in your specific neighborhood. So let's see if ChatGPT can create a sales letter for you.
Dear neighbor, I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to you today because I wanted to let you know about a wonderful opportunity that has recently become available in our neighborhood. I am the proud owner of a newly renovated 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home on 1 acre of land. The property features hardwood floors, modern finishes throughout, and a spacious outdoor area that is perfect for enjoying the beautiful summer evenings. I am reaching out to you because I know that you are a respected member of our community, and I was wondering if you or anyone you know might be in the market for a new home. I believe this property would be a great fit for a family looking for a spacious, modern home in a great neighborhood. I would be happy to arrange a private showing of the property for you or any interested parties. If you or someone you know is interested, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you for your time, and I hope to hear from you soon.
Now that's pretty good. I mean, it's not super strong, but it is a pretty good letter. And it did save you the hour or 45 minutes it would have taken you to plan out this letter and to type it up. But there are a lot of things that you can do to make this letter stronger. And you can make those changes yourself, or you can ask ChatGPT to make those changes. So let's ask ChatGPT to make this letter a little bit funnier, and it's gonna add in a couple of really bad jokes.
Dear neighbor, I hope this letter finds you well, and not too bored of staring at the same 4 walls in your home. I am writing to you today because I wanted to let you know about a fantastic opportunity that has recently become available in our neighborhood. I am the proud owner of a newly renovated 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home on 1 acre of land. The property features hardwood floors, modern finishes throughout, and a spacious outdoor area that is perfect for enjoying the beautiful summer evenings, or for when you want to run away from your family for a moment. I am reaching out to you because I know that you are a respected member of our community, and I was wondering if you or anyone you know might be in the market for a new home. I believe this property would be a great fit for a family looking for a spacious, modern home in a great neighborhood, or for anyone who wants to live in a house that's bigger than their current shoebox apartment. I would be happy to arrange a private showing of the property for you or any interested parties. If you or someone you know is interested, please don't hesitate to contact me. We can even make it a double date, and you can bring your favorite bottle of wine. Thank you for your time, and I hope to hear from you soon.
Something else I tested this bot for is being able to create correspondence or emails, text messages, or whatever for different people based on different situations. I did ask ChatGPT to write an email to a potential buyer who requested more information about the home, and I wanted to encourage them to schedule a showing.
Subject: invitation to view our newly renovated 3-bed, 3-bath home. Dear potential buyer, thank you for expressing interest in our newly renovated 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home on 1 acre of land. We are excited to have the opportunity to show you this beautiful property and help you envision yourself living there. The home features hardwood floors, modern finishes throughout, and a spacious outdoor area that is perfect for enjoying the beautiful summer evenings. We are confident that you will love the property as much as we do. We would like to invite you to schedule a private showing of the property at your earliest convenience. Please let us know a few dates and times that work best for you, and we will do our best to accommodate your schedule. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Best regards.
We also had it create an email message to send out to real estate agents, letting them know that the property is available that you're not interested in listing it, but you are willing to offer a 3% buyer's commission.
Subject: New listing alert, 3-bed, 3-bath home on 1 acre of land. Dear real estate agents, I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to inform you of a newly renovated 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home on 1 acre of land that has recently become available in our area. The property is located at address, and it's priced at $300,000. The home features hardwood floors, modern finishes throughout, and a spacious outdoor area that is perfect for enjoying the beautiful summer evenings. It's the perfect place for a family looking for a spacious, modern home in a great neighborhood. I am not interested in listing the property, but I am willing to pay a 3% commission to any agent who brings me a buyer for the property. If you know of any potential buyers who might be interested in this property, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to hearing from you soon.
We also asked it what other types of marketing materials it could create, and some of the answers it gave us didn't really make sense. Obviously, it is still a work in progress. It mentioned that it could create a property brochure, virtual home tour, property website or other social media content, video marketing, open houses, direct mail campaigns, and networking. Now, I don't know how ChatGPT is going to hold an open house for you or create a video for you. Maybe that'll happen someday in the future. But it does make me curious what other ways ChatGPT can be used to help market a property and what other things it can make easier and reduce the amount of time and effort you're putting into it. As a matter of fact, it's only limited by your imagination. So let me know in the comments, what are some ideas that you have that ChatGPT might be able to do to make the home sales process easier? All of this information brings one really big and important question to my mind. Can ChatGPT replace a real estate agent? Let's go ahead and ask it.
ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can generate human-like text, but it is not designed to replace a real estate agent. Real estate agents have specialized knowledge and experience in the housing market, as well as access to resources and networks that can help you sell your home quickly and for the best price. While ChatGPT could potentially assist with some aspects of the home selling process, such as creating listing descriptions or answering frequently asked questions, it would not be able to provide the same level of expertise and support as a professional real estate agent.
Whew! Thank God, my job is safe for now. But with all the advancements and the way AI is changing every industry it gets involved in, maybe I should start brushing up on my resume. So one last question. Hey, ChatGPT, what else should the viewers of this video do?
They should subscribe to this channel, like the video, and leave a comment below about other ideas as to how I can help them sell their home. They should also schedule a free moving strategy call with Nichols Home Team. The link is in the description, and if they enjoyed this video, they should watch this video next.